What's up guys, thank you. So Vivo has today officially announced its latest smartphone under its all new U-series Vivo U1. Launched in China, the smartphone is currently limited to the company's home market and it's not yet known if it will make it to other markets anytime soon. The Vivo U1 comes in 3 color options: Midnight Black, Purple and Aurora Red colors. It comes in 2 variants, 3GB RAM and 4GB of RAM. While the 3GB RAM model is priced at 799 yuan, the 4GB RAM costs 1199 yuan. The smartphone is already available for purchase in China through Vivo's online store. The smartphone features a 6.2-inch full-view display with 1520 by 720 pixel screen resolution, 19:9 aspect ratio, and 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass on top. Thanks to the water drop notch, the phone comes with 88.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 mid-range octa-core processor, which is coupled with Adreno 505 GPU and either 3GB or 4GB of RAM. The 3GB RAM model packs 32GB of internal storage, while the 4GB RAM model comes with 64GB of internal storage. There is also a microUSB card slot, allowing users to further expand the phone's storage capacity up to 256GB. As for the camera department, the handset features an AI smart dual camera setup on the back, consisting of the 13-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor along with an LED flash. The camera module is placed in the top left corner in a vertical position. On the front side, the phone comes with an 8-megapixel snapper for taking selfies and video calling. It also supports facial recognition based face unlock feature. There is also a fingerprint sensor placed on the phone's back panel for added security.